Count 1, tampering with or fabricating evidence. Count 2, tampering with or fabricating evidence.
Count 2, Ms. Barrientes Vela, what is your plea, guilty or not guilty?
She said the constable used different pens to make it look like it was different dates and made it look like it was filled over the course of time.
And that's why we're here, not on she stole money, not on she mismanaged money, not on anything that they were trying to get. We're here on a couple of documents.
I'm the Texas Rangers with the Department of Public Safety. In particular, this case, I was asked by the district attorney to come in and be the impartial investigator from an outside, not on a parochial level, but on the outside level.
You and Dawn have had a close working relationship for many years.
Yes.
All right. And so, because do you see a difference between the appearance of neutrality and actual neutrality? Do you see that there's a difference between those two things?
Of course.
And so, the gas mileage or expense of the Austin Ranger Freeman coming here, you would say, on balance, is worth more than actual neutrality, having somebody that doesn't have a relationship with that person.
I would argue that you would say that because you pay taxes also.
I'm employed by Bear County for the parks. I'm the Parks and Recreation Director.
Do you recall April 21st of 2019, Easter Sunday, that particular Easter Sunday?
Yes, ma'am.
Why would that particular one stand out in your mind?
There was an issue at Pavilion 1, Rodriguez Park.
Did the system reflect any kind of cancellation?
None.
And this says attention. All Bear County Park reservations require that you call and make contact with the Bear County Constable's Office immediately before or after making the reservation. They will notify you if your event requires an officer on duty during the function. If required, that would be an additional cost at the time of your event. And that's something that everyone under attention is informed of.
Yes.
Did you know that Mr. Reyes was drinking? And his group was
I
drinking?
knew that he was drinking. There was alcohol present at that time,
Okay. And so?
after the fact.
And you were informed that it was Henry's fault?
Yes.
Because he told her that it was the Easter that was canceled, and it wasn't. It was the day before.
Yes, he was thinking it was the day of Easter, yes.
So she had every right to think that it was canceled. You would agree with that?
Yes.
So if she had every right to think it was canceled and she showed up, all of that was happening right there at the park was a misunderstanding. Right?
Possibly, yes. And what were your job duties at Rodriguez?
The first 15 years was field maintenance worker, and then I got promoted to foreman.
So you took Michelle Barrientes Vela,
Word.
the elected constable, a public servant, you took her word that it was canceled.
Right.
Hi, Henry, Constable Vela. How you doing today?
I never told her that it was rent. It's always been reserved. I never told her it was canceled.
So you're disagreeing with the date.
Could be a wrong day, but I knew it was Saturday.
Okay. You don't think you could be mistaken?
I could be. I'm human.
Sure. Could it be that you don't remember sending it?
No.
You know that you had never sent a text message like that?
No, sir.
Did you allow anyone else to access your phone?
No, sir. No, my phone was to me all the time.
Would anybody else access your phone to text out pavilion prices and availability dates?
Not off my phone.
So nobody could have done that
No,
but
sir.
you. And so what I'm saying is you're confronted with the fact that it exists, but you're just denying that it exists.
I'm denying that I didn't send that.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being here today. We're going to resume at 9.